slinking, sliding, slithering slyly, swiftly slipping through the grasses shyly. Silent, but for swish and hiss, is the sinuous snake's leglessness. You try. Okay, let's try that faster. Slinking, sliding, slithering slyly, swiftly slipping through the grasses shyly, silent but for swish and hiss is the sinuous snake's leglessness. There we go. Were you legless through that tongue twister, I wonder? Do let me know in the comments, won't you? In the meantime, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, hit that like button if you liked it, but most importantly of all, make a date to join me again tomorrow for another of your favourite tongue twisters. See you then.